Hi everyone, welcome to another ESL tutorial from Linguish. And no. Your tissues, not on the floor. Tissues go in the, what's this called?
Trash.
The trash can.
The trash can.
Go, tissues in the trash can. Thank you. And today is the day when the garbage truck comes. So we need to be ready. I mean, we have so many garbage cans. There's a big blue garbage can.
Big blue garbage can.
There's a big yellow garbage can.
A big yellow garbage can.
Oh, there's a small blue garbage can.
A small blue garbage can.
And a small red garbage can. A small red garbage can. Okay. Now everybody, come with me. Come. Come. Go behind my back. Go. Hang on to my shoulders. Go. Okay, now we are the garbage truck, okay?
Okay.
Let's go pick up trash, okay? Ready? And hurry, pick it up. Hurry, pick it up. Hurry, pick it up. Hurry, pick it up. Now stop! What garbage can do we pick up? So we pick up. Everybody, we pick up.
The big yellow garbage can.
Yes, okay. Take it. Okay, go in the back. Yes, okay, ready? And hurry, pick it up. Hurry, pick it up. Hurry, pick it up. Stop! Looney, what garbage can?
What garbage can
Do we pick up?
we pick up? We pick up the small red garbage can.
Go! Excellent. Okay, hang on. Oh, you're going in the back. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hurry, pick it up. Hurry, pick it up. Hurry, pick it up.
Stop! Alice, what garbage can
What garbage can
do we pick up?
we pick up? We pick up the big blue garbage can.
Go! Excellent! And we continue like this until all the garbage cans have been picked up. Bye!